Yo, what's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this episode, we're opening up 18 Hot Wheels monster trucks. 8 of these trucks are part of the original 16 trucks from 2018, then we have the first 6 trucks of 2019, and then 4 pretty neat ones like the CAMARO, BIGFOOT, Dodge Charger, and a Jeep. I think it's time to get these monsters out of the box and on the road. The first monster truck we're cracking open is number 9. From the original 16 trucks from 2018, this one is a black and gold steam locomotive train called LOCO Punk. Up next, we have number 10, which is Battle Axe. This one also features a collectible wheel. It's a yellow truck with a mighty warrior riding a crocodile on the side while his axe wields lightning like Thor. To our third truck, which is number 11. It's called Category 5. It features a tornado and a lot of lightning, while also showcasing a cow and a tree whipping around because this truck causes quite the storm. Let's take a look at number 12 out of 16. This one is based on the Hot Wheels car RODGER. It's a blue truck with flames across the top and a big chrome engine block popping out of the hood. Moving on to number 13, this one is called Hot Wheels Racing, but more specifically Hot Wheels Racing 3 for the racing number 3 on the side, and they already made a Hot Wheels Racing truck labeled number 1. As for number 14 out of the original 16, which also comes with a collectible wheel, it's a dark gray dinosaur truck called MEGA-WREX, and it's one of my personal favorites because he can just bite the other trucks. Time for number 15. This one is a crazy looking truck called Psychedelic. It has orange wheels which look really neat and a wild paint job that'll definitely confuse the opponents. Wrapping up the original 16 Hot Wheels monster trucks is HOTWEILER. This one is based on the Rottweiler dog breed and has a collar around its neck with a silver chain that will not stop this truck from running wild. Now this next one is new for 2019, it's number 1 out of 50 in that series, and it's called Steer Clear. It's an aggressive looking truck with bull horns on the top, and definitely one of the coolest trucks I've ever seen. The second monster truck for 2019 is another creature truck. It's part of a sub-series called Animal Attack, and it's called the Chassis Snapper, featuring a snapping turtle across the side. You should probably recognize this truck. It's number 3 out of 50 in the 2019 lineup, and unfortunately I think it's the exact same as the 2018 model. It's the Hot Wheels Racing 3 with a blue connecting crash car. Number 4 in 2019, this one is part of a sub-series called Six Stuff, and it's the ZOMBIE-WREX, which is basically a fun twist on the MEGA-WREX in an awesome bright color. Number 5 out of 50 was also new for 2019. It's part of a sub-series called Monster Myths, and it's called the Fire Starter. It features a dragon blowing flames across the side of this hot truck. Sliding into number 6 out of 50, this one is part of HW Demo Derby, and it's a mad looking truck with acid green suspension called Torque Terror. Skipping along to number 14 out of 50 in the 2019 lineup, I'm missing quite a few trucks in between, but this is a must-have model. It's the red Dodge Charger RT. Our next truck is number 19 out of 50 in the 2019 lineup. It includes a yellow connect and crash car, and it's a very popular truck that is extremely recognizable because this is the Big Blue Bigfoot. Jumping into something I just picked up recently, this one is a new for 2020 model. It's a 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Camaro on a monster truck lift kit. What a cool looking muscle car. The final Hot Wheels monster truck we're opening up is number 33 out of 75 in the 2020 lineup. It's part of the HW Metro sub-series, and it's a blue 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. How about that for 18 different Hot Wheels monster trucks? I think we got a pretty good variety of creatures, wild creations, muscle cars, and of course just classic monster trucks. I think it's pretty hard to pick a favorite. I definitely lean toward the Camaro, Bigfoot, Dodge Charger, and Jeep just because they're real vehicles, but at the same time MEGA-WREX and ZOMBIE-WREX are such cool creations. A few honorable mentions go out to Steer Clear, Roger Dodger, and HOTWEILER. Those are pretty neat trucks as well, but let me know your favorite in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.